Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good day. My name is Almira Gilay, 32 years old, single with 5 kids, high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because my family's needs and education for my children.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have an experience as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia, 2 years, 3 years and 2 months.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
My duties and responsibilities: cooking, ironing, washing clothes, washing dishes, and take care of newborn babies and kids.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
By bathing, changing clothes, changing diapers, and feeding, and play with them.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
I know how to cook Filipino dish.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
You must be honest, loyalty, trust, and hardworking.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
To my future employer, please select as your domestic helper because I'm loyal, honest, and hardworking. Thank you and see you soon in Hong Kong.